Hey. What is up, guys? My channel just went above 50 plus subscribers. So I'm official now, I'm feeling legit, and it's all because of you guys. I'm sure like I can walk down the street and like show it off to my friends. Hey man, do you know that my channel is above 50 subscribers? And they're gonna be like, nah, bro, you lying to me. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun moment. But honestly, like putting all jokes aside, I'm gonna be lying. And if I just play this low key, uh, I know 50 subscribers is not a lot at all for a lot of people, but for me, it kind of is. I just kind of did this mostly for fun. I hope that as I'm documenting these things on YouTube, I can look back to them after years and kind of see like how much I've progressed. And yeah, that would be a very fun thing to do. But yeah, guys, thank you for the support. And like if you're learning Mandarin Chinese, if you haven't subscribed yet, like do that. Like this is definitely for a place for us to hang out and share ideas with each other. So yeah, and together we can all become Mandarin masters. I'm obviously gonna be the bigger Mandarin masters, and you'll be the smaller Mandarin master. But we are all gonna be Mandarin masters. I'm just playing, guys. I'm just playing. But seriously, it's been such a fun ride, and I hope that the channel continues to grow. Once again, thank you, and thank you for tuning in. I hope that I see you in the next one. Bye.